if you look at inside the cell, you can see them in a functional state, or how they actually function. This technique really can help you to see something beyond with just individual structure, how they contact, how they function, and potentially how you may cure the disease for certain bacteria and virus. This information now can help us to know more about the bacteria and cell and then beyond. Clearly, this is just a technique. And I think once you have a technique, you start to see more excitement. I feel like the best is yet to come.